boil the water. Put the fish on, put the steamer on, turn the heat right down and leave this at least 15 minutes till it's cooked. And it's steamed out quite nicely. We'll give it a stir. Smell the coconut and ginger now coming through, very fragrant. We'll just leave it there and then we'll do the stir-fried vegetables next. We have some chopped vegetables for our stir-fry. And we have, come with me. Camera is very slow to pan to the sink. We now have fairly thick kale ready to be fried. The sauce for the stir-fried vegetable is diluted oyster sauce as a standard for Chinese stir-fry. And I'm going to add, as we don't have Shaoxing rice wine, we're going to put in Madeira. And this is the oyster sauce which I've diluted down. Right, now's the time to do the stir-fry vegetables. Small wok, flame, medium heat, vegetable oil, obviously the sequence of events here, so onions first, the longest to cook first. In the meantime, the steamer is steaming the fish. Splash of soya sauce. The diluted oyster sauce. About 1 spoon of oyster sauce to 2 spoons of water. Oh yeah, Madeira. In lieu of Shaoxing. Bob's your uncle, it's done.